those are big challenges that we're looking at right now. And there's only a handful of groups around the world doing this work. I could say one of the leaders doing this is a group called Perry. They're out of Germany. They're also printing here in America. They've been doing it longer than we have, and they have developed ways to add the proper spaces in the walls to add the conduit to put PVC. Sometimes they're actually putting PVC in as they're printing. I don't think they've perfected that yet. Certainly we haven't. So that's something that's still being looked at right now. But at the end of the day, you treat it like any other concrete wall. You add the conduit and the plumbing and the insulation, either on the exterior or on the interior, of course, for insulation. And what we do is we print two exterior whites of the wall systems that are 2 inches long, or 2 inches wide, and has a 4 inch gap. That's where the insulation goes in. You can add the electrical and plumbing into that. The interior walls can also be printed, or they can be traditional stick built, or they can be prefabricated panel systems. So I don't think anybody has landed on the most efficient process for that just yet, or the right solution. That's something we're hoping to land on by the end of this year. A lot of groups are still working through that.